guys facing trouble to understand investment banking curriculums like financial modeling and valuations, scientific analysis, and portfolio management? Are you aware about this fact that whatever we try to learn in the curriculums outside, that's completely opposite of what we actually do in a company? Because company requires practical skills. Want to really bridge the gap between the conceptual knowledge and the practical world through live projects, internships, and various live programs into top investment banking firms? Want to understand all these concepts of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, valuations, financial modeling, scientific analysis, portfolio management, advanced Excel, Tableau, and Power BI practically? Or what the people actually are doing into such top management consulting firms or investment banks? Along with endless placement mocks and trainings to make you feel much more confident towards landing into such profiles. Are you interested to join our live sessions which shall provide you a full-fledged investment banking curriculum of all the topics as discussed as before?